Do you remember this video that I uploaded a couple weeks back? That is because you have to check the entire car before you buy it. Talking about second-hand cars. And you really have to get someone with you. If it's not a mechanic, at least a friend that has a few ideas about how cars work and stuff like that. You really need to take someone with you when you're checking out a car that you want to buy, because you might skip some issues, and that someone else, that friend of yours, might see them and point them out to you, and then you can decide if you want to buy that car or you don't. You all heard of car flippers, right? You know, those kind of people that buy damaged or in a poor shape cars, fix them a bit, they give them a nice wash to make them look beautiful for you to buy them. Second-hand cars, right? Well, normally they have to fix the issues before they sell the car. That's logical and best thing to do, right? You don't just sell cars to someone and keep your fingers crossed they don't see the issues that the car has and just pray for them not to get in an accident or even worse, right? With that in mind, today I'm gonna show you how my car was sold to me. And the issue that it has was fixed. It was hidden. It was covered. So come with me in this journey where I'm trying to fix my car, to show you what I've been through the entire day to fix that car. Here are the goodies. They're supposed to be return charge pipe. Although I'm not sure, is some kind of a plastic. Some of these I need, and this is supposed to replace the resonator that goes like this up the pipe. So because it's not that much of a space, I'm not in a shop and I don't have anything like a hole in here under the car or a lift to lift it up and film properly. I'm gonna explain like this. I have some bolts like that one, this one here, got like 5 of them. I'll have to unscrew to take off the splash shield. The bolts holding it are 10 millimeters. Now that is out of the way, we can see what I was sold as a car. So this is the pipe I need to replace, which is broken right here, exactly where my finger is. So it's there, it's split, like the entire pipe is split in two, and this right here is the second portion of it, the part that is broken from the main one. And what they did was they hide it with this hose. And to be honest, I'm gonna show you a clip right now to see how I found it. So normally, because you would think this goes into that and that would connect to this one right here. Yeah, no, that's not the case. This goes under this red one and comes out over there. But actually, I think it's connected somewhere here. Ah, there you go. This thing starts here and ends up here, like, and then that will start around here onwards. So there's 1, 2 pipes, 2 sections of pipe, and this hole that dresses up the connection between these two, and then they go up into that. That was an easy fix, just to seal the car probably, because this is my work right here. Before I got the pipe, that I'm about to replace. I had to use my car daily, so what I did was I tied this better. I added one of these and I was able to use it until the point where I need to change the pipe. And if you have a look, smoke is coming out here. I don't know what's happening. And here is where the resonator should be, but it's another hose like this one. Now, the hose clamps, 2 and 2 are done. So I'm about to pull that section out like that. And as I said, look, this is the main pipe, and this is supposed to be the end of it. But as it seems, I don't know, what do you think? I think this was cut off. And this is the hose with the other section of the pipe. I don't know, it's just weird. And they just covered it just to sell the car. Nice, huh? Now, if you look at the pipe that I bought, this is how it should stay under the car. So it's tied up here, up here, with another hose clamp, but I think it has 2 ears where it's tied up as well. And I just found one, which is there. See it? This is the one right here. But I think that's the only one, because it's moving too much. I'm not sure. I'm gonna untie that one and see if it has a second one or not. What do you know? I did got it out, but it's a big struggle just to do that. And I'm afraid about how am I gonna put the other one in, because this barely came out. It's not the full pipe, and also I had to turn it clockwise like that from up there, because look at the shape of it. So wish me luck. I'm getting in with the other one. There's so much struggle. I almost broke it myself because it doesn't go up. Here it's hitting this fucking thing right here. And up there is hitting that corner, just this one here, that corner over there. It's messed up. So I might find the right way, but I had to take the intake hose out of here, which is held by 2 9mm bolts, 1 and 2, and then it just pops out from there. And if I'm going all the way to the left there, I might be able to push it down and then handle it from underneath. Fingers crossed. What do you know? There it is, all in place. So I took those things out and I struggled for the last couple of hours actually. I even tried to push this. I tried to take out this sensor and I got engine oil all over myself. Anyway, it turns out that I just had a different angle. I was supposed to push this pipe from underneath, but from a different angle like that. It's a pain. Wow. And look, the reason it has these 2 ears is because one is supposed to be here and the other one here. But the other one, the broken one, had this ear right here broken already. So yeah. I've spent entirely over 3.5 hours just to do this thing right here, and unfortunately I don't have time enough to replace this hose, but I think I will need to take this to replace this. I will need to take the car to an actual shop, to a mechanic, because I really need to lift it up and do like the job properly. What was supposed to happen in half an hour took me almost 4 hours, but I got it done, so I'm happy for that. Done. Yoo-hoo. This bull right here was the shittiest. I lost 25 to 30 minutes just to put this one in, because everything now is secure, nice and tight. This is tight, up there is tight, this one is tight, and that was the last one. And this, yeah, just need to pop this back in and job done. So here we are. This is what it was in my car, or under the car, and this is what I have left. I didn't change this because it will take a long time and I need a proper elevator to do that. I will take these 3 clamps plus 2 and plus the ones I bought, and I guess I have a collection now. And as I suspected, that right there is not part of that. It is a similar pipe, but it's not part of this. This one snapped. Look, the ear that it has like that snapped from here. So yeah. Anyway, I fought. Look, it's almost nighttime. I fought the entire day with that pipe, and eventually it was something I didn't think about. It was something easier, but I'm a DIYer. I'm not a mechanic, so it happens. Hopefully that will help you and you won't struggle as me. I did road tested the car. I feel it working, like the engine is working a bit better, so I'm happy for that. The whole day wasn't wasted, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.